Okay, so let's talk about 2 and 3. We're just, for both of these, writing the p sub k plus 1 step. So we're just starting the process of writing an inductive proof. So the first thing we have to do is be able to take our p sub k statement, and everywhere we see a k, we need to replace it with k plus 1. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I have p sub k plus 1 is going to be this expression. Just instead of k's, I'm going to write k plus 1. So this would become k plus 1 squared times, and now we're going to do k plus 3, but we're going to say k plus 1 plus 3. So it really becomes this, k plus 1 plus 3 squared all over 6. And then it's just a matter of just simplifying some things. So you just have to be able to add, 1 and 3 together to get what the answer actually is, which is this. Now notice we're not asking you to do anything with that. We're just asking you to write that step. So then the next one, which is exactly the same kind of problem, given you a different p sub k to start with, we need to write p sub k plus 1. So everywhere I see a k, I'm going to replace it with k plus 1. So p sub k plus 1 would be, in this equation here, everywhere I see a k, I'm going to replace it with k plus 1. So I would have k plus 1 squared in the numerator over 2 times, k plus 1, right? That's what this k is, and then plus 1 again, squared. And then again, just a matter of simplifying this. So we have k plus 1 squared over 2 times, well, we know 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's our answer. All right, keep going. Good job.